to Atlanta. Hey, my name is Rich Reed, and I'm an architect based out of Atlanta. My studio is Rich Design Studio. We focus on research and design, as-built drawings, modern architecture, the whole nine. But what I'm gonna do for you today is take you on a journey with me. I'm gonna show you Morpholio Trace, the app that I use for my process from early designs to construction administration. Hope you have fun as much as I will. Man, let's just jump right in. I'm just gonna start off with a simple sketch of the bridge. In order to set up, I already have my pen and my line weight set up on the left hand side. But first, I select the sheet size. This is intuitive to architects and anybody else who wants to use the app. I always set it up at standard sheet size, 24 by 36 or 30 by 48, depending on the size. And I always set my grid to a quarter or a half inch. And then it's just as easy as that. And I start sketching. If I have any mistakes or anything I want to do different, there's layers that I use to just overlap one over the other. I can change the opacity and continue to work. There's no more trash paper and all that good stuff. Trace is so easy. I mean, you don't need to use any tutorials, no YouTube videos. If you just simply play with the app, you'll be good to go. And the work is damn near done for you. You know, drawing is so important for the design process because it helps get what's up here on paper. Always stay creative. Another easy and simple example of how I use Trace in a real life project is this one right here. I'm actually doing as-built measurements on an existing house that's condemned. We're going to transform, knock down the entire structure, and design a very modern home. I use Trace as my design tool, of course, and on the left you can see I have my pens set up and all the ink colored. It's so easy because I can import images into Trace that directly correlates with specific positions on the drawing that I have beyond that on a scale grid. And I can take the images and write over top of them measurements that I don't have to do in plan. So they're really good to do in elevation. And as you can see on the right hand side, I have my layers and I just keep creating the layers as such. One piece of advice I would give to other designers and creators is to stay inquisitive. Challenge your own ideas. One thing I love about architecture and Morpholio Trace is Morpholio Trace really is the medium for me to be creative. And it allows me versatility through all design phases. One piece of advice I would give to any new architect, anybody who wants to get creative with design, is always just be creative, use your tools, use your resources, do anything to stay creative. Get outside, be a part of nature. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, getting to know me better, because I really enjoy making this film. And follow each other on Instagram, Facebook, or I don't know, Messenger. Talk to you later. Stay creative and enjoy the process.